I have a courier over here, and this is my MacBook M1. Now I'm gonna unbox this today. So let's start. Okay, so I got it last night. No, oh, there's a strap over here. So let's open it. Yeah. And here is the MacBook Air. So this is the MacBook Air M1 variant. It's 13-inch with the M1 chip, 8 GB memory. Okay, so I think I need to pull. This thing over here. Yeah, and it opens just like that. Yeah. So this MacBook has like only 2 Thunderbolt or 2 USB-C ports, which is very less compared to other laptops. And this laptop is very good for programming. It has a 16-core neural engine, which combined with the GPU will be somewhat good for machine learning also. And it opens from there, from here, and here we go.
Oh, wow, nice.
So this is
Nice
the
color.
MacBook.
Sleek.
And
Wow. So through
This is the MacBook.
after 3 years.
yeah, and here the packaging very nice compared to the HP laptop. So yeah, I'll just take out the charger.
Charger. Oh, so small.
Oh, there's a other charger over there also.
Oh, this is the cable.
This is the cable.
Oh.
It is it's a good cable. Then here we have designed by Apple in California.
Okay.
We have some stickers,
Oh wow, sticker,
manuals.
manual, warranty card. Yeah. Just
Yeah,
you have to keep
yeah.
it
We
safe.
have to keep these things safe.
Then what else does it has?
It
Show
also
me the charger, dude.
yeah. It also has something else inside. I think. No, I think it's just
It's fine. It's fine.
just a
Keep it,
box.
keep it,
Yeah. Let's go to the main parts.
Let's open the laptop now.
So this is the charger.
Oh, it's like a mobile charger.
Yeah, but it's a bit different.
Wow, so nice.
It's a different type of paper, I think. It's like
Wow.
butter paper.
Now let's open the MacBook.
Okay, now let's open the MacBook.
The new MacBook.
Yeah. Compared to my previous laptop, probably it's a bit heavy.
This
Yeah.
is heavy.
Yeah, this is heavy. And this is the MacBook. It's very thin. Contains 2 Thunderbolt ports, 2 USB 4 ports. Now,
Let's open.
yeah, now we'll open it.
Wow, nice.
The Apple Music. Wow. So I've been a Windows user all the time, and looking at the MacBook, it's different. शुरू करें.
Hello.
The touchpad also looks different than Windows, but it's very good. The touchpad is really good. It's like you just tap it and then it's very sensitive. Okay, I need to type India. See, it automatically selected India. Press the escape. Okay. Yeah. Touchpad is best among all the laptops. Yeah. I'm using the accessibility. No, I don't have any accessibility. Not now. Okay, Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. Oh, you can connect 5G. 5G.
Yeah. The touchpad just feels totally different,
What is that?
and even the keyboard.
Oh, is it good?
Yeah. Wait, so I have my MacBook set up now. So I've been the Windows user since the first time I got my laptop in something around 2015 or so. So that time it was a very low-end laptop, and now it's like a very powerful laptop. So everything works quite well. Now the MacBook is very fast. Comparing the RAM, which is like 8 GB in this laptop and 16 GB in my previous laptop, it works even faster than the other laptop, and it's also very smooth. So the experience overall has been very nice because the touchpad is obviously the best, and like the keyboard is also best. But yeah, there were a few problems which I had. So one problem was that the clipboard manager. So the clipboard manager which you get on Windows 11, for example, is by default, it's native, right? But in MacBook, the main work of the developer is like copy and pasting things also. They copy from Stack Overflow and then paste it on their code. So Mackie was a software which I discovered when I came to Mac, and it's a very good software. Then the next quite a big problem that I had was that the mouse and the touchpad scrolled differently. Like they scrolled in the same way, but in for example Windows, if you like anytime observe yourself scrolling, you'll see that for the touchpad you scroll in a different manner, and then on the mouse you scroll in a different manner, and that in Mac they both scroll in the same way. So that's why like when you go to the settings over here, you see if you go to the mouse section, there's the natural scrolling, which is like switched on by default, and then for the trackpad also there's this natural scrolling which is switched on. The problem is that when I like if you just see the animation over here, to scroll up you need to scroll up, then to scroll down you need to scroll down, but actually we don't do it like that. We like scroll down to go up and scroll up to go down in Windows. So for that I just reversed. I used this app called Scroll Reverser, which reversed my scrolling, and this is a very good app. And then I installed all my like developer dependency, Anaconda, Python, TensorFlow, and all these things, and it's working really smooth. Now considering Windows 11, there are many animations over here. Like if you like just opens Safari, look at like these animations now. So that's a good part of UI UX. Now coming from like Windows, all the buttons are in the right side compared to left side, and then all the like the app specific items are there on the toolbar, so that's different. But yeah, I got adjusted to it. And then there's the Finder, which is quite different from the Windows File Explorer. But yeah, the MacBook is very good compared to the Windows laptops, and because like Steve Jobs also like he was a very user experience focused founder, so that's why he has created such a user experience focused laptop also. Yeah, so that unboxing experience was also good, and the overall experience is also good. Thank you.